Yo, what's up? Dino is here. How are you, my friends? Today I got something special for you. I found a meeting of old muscle cars. So I want to show you guys. I'm filming this just for you so you can see the different cars that we have in Europe. So enjoy.
Old cars.
Yeah.
69 Camaro is one of the hottest selling cars.
How much is it?
They range in price depending on what you got in it.
Okay,
Some
the basic one.
An average price on one would be probably about 50-60 grand.
The average one is 50 grand. What
50.
about the customized?
Custom, you could pay up to 150,000.
Oh my God.
Yeah. And if you find one that's original,
okay,
like factory original with the cross ram dual quads.
Okay.
The quads are carburetors, two
okay,
4-barrel carburetors. One would sit here and one would sit over here. Now those cars are rare. They're very hard to find, and those things could even bring more money.
Yeah, those are the old cars, so they're not like alive anymore. People, maybe they left them in some kind of barn.
You see, I've got a 63 Corvette, and my 63 Corvette is worth probably about $230,000.
How many cars do you have?
5.
5 of them.
I just
so you're a collector.
I like playing with them and fixing them up.
That's nice. Nice life.
Good. How are you?
Good. That's not.
No.
Yeah, using the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is his car. Okay, guys. I found a meeting of the muscle cars. So this is a vlog. You just heard the guy who is showing me how these cars are made of, where this car is made of, and whole history. I believe this Chevelle is from Fast and Furious. This one is which Vin Diesel drove. I love it, guys.
You know what that's from? That was that fender pump right over there when we were pulling the engine out and stuff to do the work on it.
There's a little bit of dirt under there?
No, I just left the imprint. Because it was rubber, it's an oil-based product.
Plymouth. Nice car you got here. I like it.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. How many horsepower?
375.
375. The color is amazing. It's kind of like giving that depth. So this is Plymouth GTX. 58. Nice. That's an owner of this car, guys. So we got here, what do we have here? Oldsmobile. Like he said, Oldsmobiles are gone. Oldsmobiles are gone. I hope my battery will not die. So what do we have here? Chevelle again. Love the cars. There's so many of them. We got here new cars. It looks like a Ferrari, but it's not. I remember this Corvette when I was a kid. Z6 405 horsepower. I remember this one. Nice car. Stingray. It looks like Ferrari. It looks like Ferrari.
Yeah, a little bit.
I could be fooled.
I don't think so.
Nah, I'm joking.
I got a picture of one this sitting next to a Ferrari.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And you can tell the difference.
Okay. Oh yeah, you can tell the difference. That's true. That's true. This one is the newer.
This is a 14, yeah.
So, are you pleased with the car?
Oh yeah, I love it.
I love it too. So, how strong is it?
455 horse.
How many?
455 horse.
That's not so a lot. That's not so much. The guy had like 700. I was like, what?
Yeah, that's
but I believe
okay.
this one is faster.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. You're one lucky guy. See guys, Stingray. I'm joking, not a lot. My car has 250. I'm from Europe. And that's a lot in my country.
Yes, it is.
You know? So what do you think, guys? Which one would you pick? Nah? I wouldn't mind any one of them. Just listen to this sound, guys. Look at this beauty, guys. God damn it, man. I'm gonna go after the boys. I believe my battery is gonna die. That's good. Just take care of him. Has to shine.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice sound. Oh my god, man. I'm getting my goosebumps. Yeah, just go a little bit. Nice car. Nice car. So we got Super Sport. I love your car, girl. Nice and shine. You should wake it up a little bit. You should wake it up.
Yeah.
Which year is this?
66.
66. Do you need the help? Oh my god. Turbojet 425 horsepower. This thing doesn't drive, he flies.
It runs good.
Runs good, huh?
It's not, you know, it's not a super fast car.
Look, I'm from Europe. I'm here on vacation. So all those cars are amazing for me.
Oh yeah.
All of them.
You guys don't have these.
No. No, there's like a little number of them, but
Rich people.
yeah, or just real fanatics, you know,
Yeah.
which really gather all money for that. I really love all the muscle cars. I'm a like fan of them, and when I see so many of them one place, I'm kind of like a little kid on a Christmas. Thank you for showing me. You see, guys, only the old guys has the cars, man. They have the money. They have the money. You see, we have this kind of Acura. I mean, here is Acura, we have Honda. What about this truck, guys? What do you think about this one? I'm just hoping that my battery won't die, because my battery is really bad. Even if I have a pocket juice, you know, it's connected with my charger, but fucking charger is so weak. I don't know. What about these guys? So this is gonna go on YouTube. This is what you see when you visit USA, guys. Look at the Mustang. Nice car, bro. Okay, you shouldn't say him, bro, man. You have to pay respect to those guys. What about this car, guys? Look at, oh my god, 700 horsepower. Oh my god, man. I don't know what the hell am I watching here, but it looks awesome. Looks awesome. We got Dodge here. Awesome. So what about Plymouth? They call it GTX Plymouth. Again, the green color is awesome. I believe like lime green or whatever it is. So see, we got like so many cars here. We got cars on the left side. So maybe I should go on the left side too, or I'm just gonna go from behind. Yeah, I want to show you cars from behind. You know, maybe we're gonna get some information from the guys who are owning them. Look at that beauty behind. Look at that style. Holy shit! They're like the same Plymouth. Look at those roars. How you say? I mean, Auspuch, exhaust pipes. That's what I'm talking about. I love your cars, people. I really love them. Oh my, they're amazing. I'm like a little kid on Christmas.
People will always find it.
Ooh, look at this.
$20 a ride.
What?
$20 a ride.
No problem. Let's go.
5 million. Not around here, not now.
I know.
We're just asking for a ticket.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Those cars belong on a racetrack. color. That color. I know I would get all the chicks in my country with that color. Oh my God, it's amazing. All the cars are amazing. I mean, like, I wouldn't say no to nobody. No car, no one. I'm showing this to my friends in Europe. I'm from Europe, so I'm like, wow. Look at this. Oh, the guys are nice. They're really, like, Americans are really nice to us, and they really like to help. Whenever you need, guys, they just help us. You know, nice cars. Good. You? What about this one, guys? This one is special. Look at this one. Look at this one, guys. SS. I love the details, SS, and the red line, the wheels, you know. It's kind of like, I don't know, maybe it's 80s car. What do you think? It's 80s. See, this one is on sale. Year 85. See, I told you 15K. 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 So this one is another unique. This car has an awesome back shield. What the hell is this?
Tom Petty song, Learning to Fly.
See, something in the, but what about this car? This car is here like for fun. Look at that exhaust. Look at those tires, guys. You know, he just took them down, just cut them down. It's kind of like Fast and Furious. Kind of like Fast and Furious style. What about this spaceship? What about this spaceship? As low as it go, it runs it low. Yeah, awesome. It's like, didn't the police have this? Like when they were like chasing the bad guys. I gotta get back, man. Awesome, awesome. So guys, what do you think? Would you have one of them? I love this one. I believe this one is from 50s. Check this out. Check this out. You can see this like in the space movies. Looks like a spaceship. So I started doing this randomly, this video. Usually I do it on Snapchat, but I said, fuck it, this is gonna go on YouTube. 6-7 years ago when I was here, I saw the similar show. It was a bigger one, but you know, I didn't have a YouTube, so I didn't even know what YouTube is. But this time, guys, I am sharing my happiness with you guys. Nice cars. Nice cars. They're awesome. Is this one yours? I don't know, man. I'm so happy. What about this one? Is new one. This one is the Shelby, guys. 5.8 Shelby version. Look, I have this on my Honda. And what about that rose color? So America, man, guys, if you come to America, you see American power, you know. Every country, every continent has their own suites. See, this is like I believe it's a limited car, so it has the signature of the Shelby GT500. It has even a Cobra inside. This one is a mean motherfucker. A mean motherfucker. They're all of them. This one is like really old and really nice. What do you think about this one? Thunderbird, yeah. This is the chick's car. I believe this is a Trans Am. I don't know, I'm not sure, but look at that chrome. I love this one, you know. You don't need tools to unscrew this, you just do it on your hand, with your hands. Awesome. So we've seen these ones. You know, I just made a circle, guys, and those are the guys which I was speaking with. Amazing. This one is the newer model SS, and this one is the older. This one is Vin Diesel drove this one, and GTO. I made a circle. You know, this car can go on the rear wheels. I had the dream that I'm owning one of these cars once. Look at these beauties, they're coming, man. They just keep coming. Look at them. Okay, what do we have here? We got Trans Am, we got Barber and Chevrolet. We got really old car. We got so many nice asses. We're gonna go from this side, from behind. You're gonna see this car is like super cabrio, no, convertible. Then we got, I'm like, I didn't see so many cars. I mean, I didn't see so many models. I don't know the names of the cars. I just know that they look cool and they look awesome. So we're seeing their asses, you know. We got blue ass, orange ass, red ass, got motherfucking silver ass. We got white ass. We got an old ass. You know, look at this. Supercharged 427 stage.
Oh man, how'd you get that?
How'd you get that, bro? Fuck me, man. You see? See? Only the old folks has the cars, man. Oh, what about this? Huh? Corvette, the old one. Holy shit. Stingray, the old one. This one is fucking legit. Okay, let's go from the beginning. Dodge, Chevrolet, Plymouth. They call it like Plymouth. You know? There you go. They're enjoying the view. They're enjoying the view. Holy shit, man. I love the classics, man. I love my Hondas, guys, but you know, I love muscle cars too. I love what they represent. Look at this. Look at this, man. It has like 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Julie, October. Open, all original miles. Original price 6K. 375 horsepower. Back in 65. Can you imagine this? This one is original. Looks like, doesn't look old, man. The color is good. You don't have like for a head, you know. If you have an accident with this car, look at the radio. If you have an accident with this car, your neck is broken. You break your neck. So we're going like from the front. Chevelle. Look at this. Look at this. I would even have this one. This one is with the gear. Rush. You see this thing up there? This is a compressor. This shit gives you horsepower. 2008 Ford Mustang. 37 year. 37 year, man. Look at this. 37 Roadrunner. Yeah, it has a Roadrunner. You see? Mick. Another Roadrunner. Snimam, zove moje. Yeah. So this is Mustang GT V8 old school. There you go, one carburetor. I love the cars, man. I love them. Those are not refurbished, they're like original state. Check out this, the red one. Let me see what he has inside. I love the bonnet. Cayenne sport filter. Just pogledao sve. Vidi ga. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This one is like a naked baby. This one is open. So, godište 23. With Ford T-Bucket. That's the old school, ali oni su ga preuradili. Yeah. So, yeah. No, on je bio zatvoren, ali su oni to preuradili. On se zove, Hot Rod se zove. Calls Hot Rod. Hot Rod, to je ona verzija što vole tako, znaš. Jer on je bio otvoren i sve, ali on to preurade. We got again SS. On je bio ovaki kao ovaj, vidi. Vidiš? They look like this, similar like this, and they made it like this. Yeah. Awesome, man. Awesome. So this is it. I just want to show you guys the owners of the cars. You got like all the numbers, 50, 60, 70, 80 years old. You see? And they're like owners of these cars. I'm the youngest guy here. You can't believe it, you know, people in our country when they're like 60, oh, I can't do anymore. Look at the guys in the 80s, 90s, man. They're all like we did 10 years ago, man. You know, their life didn't die. They still have that passion, you know, passion for the cars or whatever, you know. So that means, guys, you're never too old for doing what you like. This is the truth. This is the proof.